everyone, it's me Sherry. Welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering why I look like this today, it's because I'm going to do my BoxyCharm unboxing and I'm actually going to try on the products. So I have foundation, concealer, and powder on right now, but that's it. As you can see here, I didn't even crack the seal on this yet. And actually, I had Mike scribble out what was inside of it, so I couldn't see. So I'm going to unbox it with you guys. I know there was a lot of... I watched video, so I know what could possibly be in the box. And there's a lot of variations this month. So, without further ado, if you want to see what I got in my BoxyCharm this month, then stay tuned. Right, so anybody who's not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a monthly subscription service, $21 a month. I think there's tax included now in the US and free shipping. In Canada, you do pay a little bit more. It is around $35 with the exchange rate and a $5 flat rate shipping fee. You can also upgrade to BoxyLuxe, where you get a bigger box every 3 months, and it runs about $78 in Canada, and I think it's like $28 extra in the US, something like that. So if you want to sign up for BoxyCharm, there's usually a link in the down bar. I don't get money or anything for it if you sign up with my link, but I do get like charm points. So if you don't want to do that, then you can just go to BoxyCharm's website and sign up. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, I need to find something that I can snip this open with. Okay, I might not have anything in here. That's great, I should have brought scissors. Lovely. Just lovely. I'm going to see if I can pull it open with these tweezers. Alright, so let's see if I can just... It's not looking good. Oh, there we go. I got it. Alright, so this is going to be just as much as a surprise to me as it is to you guys. So, I'm going to kind of give you guys a look inside. And I'm going to grab the card here because I can feel that. So, it is Make Waves. Is the theme. It's a little kind of destroyed. And I got volume number 2. So, alright, so I'm going to grab the first product, which is one of the products that I knew was a possibility. This is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I was kind of okay with getting this or the First Aid Beauty. That's the other variation that you get, the First Aid Beauty Coconut Cream Moisturizer, Gel Moisturizer. I had a little sample of that and I liked it, so I wasn't mad if I got that, but I've never tried this before, so, but I don't think Glam Glow is cruelty free. If I'm not mistaken, I don't think it is, although it shows vegan and stuff here. I'll have to look more into that, but look at this packaging. Isn't that pretty? I'm not going to throw any of this packaging away yet because I like to take my pictures. Oh, and the tube looks exactly the same. And this is 5 ounces, so this is quite a generous size of the product. I will tell you guys, so obviously I can't try this for you guys today because it's a cleanser and I just put makeup on, so I kind of don't want to do that. The Glam Glow Cleanser retails for $28 US. Let's see what else I got in here. Okay, so I knew this was another option that was in the box. And this is the Ciate Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. And I got the color Cupid. Okay, so I want to see something here. This is what Cupid looks like. It's like purple and gold iridescent. I've seen a bunch of people swatch it, so I'm going to try to do an eye look with this in a little bit, but like if you guys don't want to see that portion of the video, you don't have to stay tuned for it. But I also got this. Where'd it go? Where did it go? I got this in a BoxyCharm a few months ago. This is the Cover FX. This is a cream eyeshadow too. This is a shimmering veil, it's called, but they kind of look similar. So I'm going to try it out, and I'm going to swatch the both of them next to each other for you guys. And if they perform similar, and they are similar colors, then I might just pass one along, like to a family member that won't mind if I swatched it. So let's take the Ciate one at first. It has just like a flat wand applicator. Very shimmery. Can you, I don't know if you guys can see that shift in that. Very pretty. Okay, I'm just going to lay this one aside. And then I'm going to take this Cover FX one, and I just want to swatch it next to it just to see, like I said, if they have like a similar... Yeah, not quite. The, like they look similar in the tube, but here is the Cover FX one. This one stays more purpley pink colored. So I'm going to put that in that box. I have like a whole bag full of like boxy stuff in here that I never really tested out yet. So I might use some of that today too. So yeah, I'm interested to see how that performs on the eyes. And now I'm just going to take this off because I'll end up getting it all over myself. And we don't want to do that. Okay, so what's next in the box? Ooh, a Dose of Color Lippy. It's not quite the one that I would have picked, but it's called Strawberry Pop. I've never tried Dose of Color before. So this is the long matte lipstick, lasting matte lipstick. Interesting. Now see, I would have been happy with the Steve Laurent because that seemed interesting to me too. I don't know how I feel about this color though. I want it stoned, to be honest with you. But maybe if I like the formula, I'll buy... Oh, that's not that bad. It's like a... It's red, but it has like... It has like a pink to it too. But it's more red. But it's not bad. It'd be nice for the... It'd be nice at Christmas time, actually. I'm going to take that off before it dries down. It's going to be an interesting look because I have a red lippy and a purple... gold eye. Oh, see, now it's already sticking on me, so it does dry fast. What else do I have in here? I feel an eye pencil. I forgot to mention how much everything was. The Ciate London lip eye color retails for $22. The Dose of Colors retails for $18. And this is Mallow Brow Definer, and this is $18. You know what, guys? I don't know if I'm going to open this because I might not try this out today because I have so many brow products and I don't really do my brows. So we'll just put that aside for now. And last but not least is the Alamar Cosmetics blush. It's the Colorette Blush Trio. Look at that packaging, it's pretty. What color did I get? I got Fairlight, which I'm actually kind of wishing I got the medium tan because those colors looked nicer to me. Just my opinion. I'm going to throw these little cardboard packagings over here for now, just to get them out of the way. Ugh. Let's get this little seal thing out of here. I don't know if these colors are going to go too well together, but I'm going to try to make a look for you guys today with it. Okay, and this is... Oh, those blushes are quite orange. That's what that looks like. Well, you can mix. I'll swatch them for you guys. Oh, they're soft. Ooh. They're a little powdery. Nothing I can't deal with. Yeah, that's straight up orange. That one in the middle is pretty. That's more of a peach. But the two ones on the end are quite orange. But, like I said, we can mix them if we need to. So, that is everything that I received in my BoxyCharm. And did I say this retails for $22 as well? So, that concludes what I got. If you want to stay tuned for me to do a look with the products that I received, then you can keep on watching. If you don't want to watch, then I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay guys, I'm going to take this Pure Cosmetics Festival palette because I never really used it yet. And I'm going to use some of the colors. Ooh, I don't even know if any of the colors out of this would go with an eye look with this. This has a nice smell to it. I want to get into those glitters so bad, but that was... Maybe I should use my Morphe palette. I'll just go with this hair color. I have a few brushes too that I never tried out yet. I'm just going to go in with this hair color, Epic, to kind of make for a crease color. I don't know. It may or may not turn out. We'll see. We'll see how crappy this looks at the end of the day. At the end of the video. There's like dust or something on my mirror here, which is never good because I can't see what I'm doing. Alright, I just want to lay down a bit of color in the crease. Okay, so I will say that these Pure Cosmetics are pretty pigmented. And I must have a fluffy brush in here somewhere. Let's blend that out. I'm not going crazy with the eyeshadow either. Excuse me. I gotta get my eyebrows did, girls and guys. Alright, that's gonna do for me because I don't want to go crazy. I might lay down a little bit of that purple though that's in that Pure palette. Blah, 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 blah. Can't talk. First day with my new tongue. I just want to take this on my little thing that I use for switching colors. Just so a lot of that pigment doesn't come off. And I'm just going to take a tiny little bit of that purple and I'm just going to lay it on my lid. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm just playing. So this may or may not come out. I'm going to use that as an eyeshadow topper, that one that I got today. So I just want to lay down like a little purple. I've seen some people, because there was no eyeshadow palette in this month's box, I've seen some people use their blush palette to put some color on their eyes, but alright. And now we're going to take this Ciate stuff. And I'm gonna I need to blend that out a little bit though, because that feels thick on my eye. Oh, that's not bad, I guess. It's not my favorite. I don't like liquid eyeshadows, to be quite honest with you. I think I got some of that in my eyelashes. Great. Great. I made that one a little messy, but that's what that looks like on the eyes and all that jazz. This might be pretty as an eyeliner. I mean, it doesn't look horrible, but it's not my favorite. So, it is what it is. So, I don't know how I feel about that product. I'm not going to use the brow pencil because I don't do my brows. And I could pass this on to somebody that does their brows. So, I'm just not even going to go there. So, sorry about that. And obviously, I can't use the cleanser. But I can use the lippy and the blush. So, why don't I take a little bit of finish off my face. I'm going to finish off my face and then I'll come back and do the blush and the liquid lipstick. Okay guys, I added a little bit of Superhero Mascara and Essence eye pencil just in the waterline in nude, and I put in some of this bronzer that I got last month. I had a highlight and they replaced it and they gave me the bronzer, so this is the Pretty Vulgar Bronze Bee and Bronze Mannequin. I don't know how I feel about it. It might be a little too dark for me, but I blended it out pretty good, so I don't know. We'll see. It might be a better color in the summer if I'm a little more tan. And then I used that Pure palette a little tiny bit, and I really do like that, so yeah, I'm trying to stick with all BoxyCharm items other than my foundation and concealer. So let's go in with some blush, shall we? Will any of these work as a blush brush? These are some new brushes that I got. I think this might work. Yeah, that will work. This should work for a blush brush. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to dip into the middle color, which is Paradiso. And I think that's going to be the best. You know what, though? I think I'm going to mix in a bit of Castaway, this first one. Let's just play with it. Shall we? I need my bigger mirror. But I definitely want to go with like a more it's not bad. It goes on very lightly, so it's a blush that you can build, which I like because I don't like to go in heavy right off the bat. That's pretty. Alright, that's enough on my cheeks because I don't like to wear a lot of blush. So, I like the fact that you can go in light-handed and build this up. So, I'll have to play with that a little more. But I almost feel like it's a little too much for me still. There, we'll blend it out a little bit. Alright, so I also got this, I'm way behind on testing out my makeup. This Cover FX palette a few months back, and again, it's never tested. I don't like these that much for highlight because I find it goes all over the place. These are good for dusting powder off. I'm going to use this brush for highlighting, and this is from Luxie, and it's the small contouring brush, but you know what? I'm using it for highlight, and I don't care. I'm going to use this highlighter here from this Cover FX palette. Isn't this pretty? This just screams bridal makeup to me, this whole palette. This actually has a really nice mirror, and I can't pull the sticky stuff off of it right now, so we're not even going to go there. I'll use my trusty mirror. This is actually from a palette that I won from a giveaway. That's kind of subtle. Let's try to build it up a bit. This isn't supposed to be about testing these products though, is it? But you know what? Oh well. I never tested them yet, so let's do it here. It's a little subtle. If you're looking for something subtle, that's nice. I gotta play around with this more too because I want to try the blushes and stuff in it. Alright, and last but not least, I don't know. If you can hear that noise, that's Star. She's snorting over there next to me. I don't know how well this color is going to go with this look, but we're going to do it anyway. What's it smell like? It smells vanilla-y. Okay. Oh, I went way under my lip line. This is going to be like the worst application of liquid lipstick ever. Obviously, okay, this is a horrible application, but obviously if I was going to wear it, I'd probably use a lip liner. You know what, this looks pretty close to Too Faced and Candy Cane. It really does. So anyway, that is my BoxyCharm video for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys on my next video. Bye everyone.